Okay, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to add an image using Scribus. So first I'm going to open a new document, a single page. I also saw in someone else's tutorial that they located their toolbars up here, and I thought that was a great idea. It just makes it a little less overwhelming. So I pulled that one down here. So to add an image, you're going to click on this button right here. You're going to make the image as large as you want. So this is a placeholder, and then if you right click, you can click on Get Image, choose a picture, any JPEG that you have. And as you can see, the image is too large for the square that I drew. So you right click and put Adjust Image to Frame. This will shrink the image down, or you can do Adjust Frame to Image, which will make the frame larger. So I'm going to make that smaller, and then I can just do that. And there's your image.